Someone's asked for a lesson on the Jingle Bells, so here it is. And I might even do the Pontic and Greek Christmas and New Year's carols in the next few weeks, since those days are coming up. So here's the Jingle Bells first. And then it goes on. I'll do it first without the trembles. Forward bow movement. Basically the whole tune you're going to be using 3 fingers. The first finger on the zill chord, second finger on the zill chord, and the fourth finger on the zill. And you'll only be using the first and second fingers on the middle chord only. So starting forward bow movement. Now you can either play one chord with the bow, or you can play 2, whatever you prefer. So it's, or whatever you prefer there. So it's, so basically there it's single finger on the zill, fourth finger on the zill, and then going swiveling over to the middle finger on the gapan, only playing. So it's, that's a swivel on the middle chord, second finger on the zill, and the next bit is playing the on the gapan side with no fingers, then swiveling over the zill side again, first finger only on the zill chord, that's the middle, first finger on the middle chord, that's the second finger on the zill, oops, and then you can add trembles to it after you've got the basics right, so you can go. And it goes over and over again. Hope that helps.